Now, you guys have already seen this wig. That is a wig that I bought with 2 other hair pieces from AliExpress. That one turned out pretty good. Now let's see what the other 2 are working with. I bought this ponytail because I've been having a hard time finding ponytails with a yaki texture that are also 613. I also thought the little flips at the end were really cute, so I wanted to try this out. And it was very reasonably priced. 1 comb on the top, 1 comb on the bottom, a drawstring, very full, very soft. And then of course it's got the little flips on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead, slick my hair back and try and put this on. Okay, now that my hair is pretty slicked back, I'm gonna add the ponytail. I'm a little bit worried about how much hair is back here because other ponytails in the past have not been big enough to accommodate how much hair I have or how poofy it is. Whenever I'm thinking about these styles, I'm never thinking like, oh, I'm gonna take the time out to braid my hair and make sure it's securely wrapped. Like, no, I'm in a rush. I'm trying to go somewhere and still look cute. Hopefully this looks good. Oh, this is big. Okay, it's giving Barbie. I kind of like it though. What do you guys think? I wrapped some hair around here. It's a little bit loose, but I don't mind it since the ponytail is so big. I mean, this is like a high ponytail and it is so voluminous that it's making it look like it's up and stuck. I love this ponytail. It's so soft and bouncy and voluminous and so cute. I just love the style. This is why I had so many good reviews. I definitely think it's a little bit cooler than my hair. So for the next time that I wear it, I'm going to pick up some like hairspray color and spray this wig because I think this has the potential to be like the #1 go-to ponytail for I'm in a rush, I need something to do with my hair. And I think this is gonna look so cute with my roots dyed. I've let them go for so long, but I'm kind of chilling. So just try and imagine all that. But as far as quality, softness, texture, like I'm loving the yaki texture. It's so hard to find this in 613. Yeah, I will give this a 10 out of 10. This is amazing. On to the next thing. Next, I bought a wig from AliExpress, and this is a synthetic wig, but I just really liked the concept of it, so I'm gonna have to change my hair and put it back into a low bun in order to get this wig on. Let's just take a look at it first. This is her. Isn't she so cute? I love that she has like little baby bangs. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And I'm obsessed with the color because I kind of wanted something white, like more white than blonde. And she's super curly, and the more I fluff her out, the bigger she gets. And I'm hoping for like a massive afro. Let me fix my hair. construction. Got no lace, the 2 combs on the sides, and the elastic band in the back. I hope this wig fits big. I'm so tired of having lumpy wigs. Oh my god. This is exactly what I was envisioning. I mean, it needs like a little fluffing out. I want the ends to be a little bit more real looking, so I'm making them a little more frizzy with a brush. I feel like this will happen naturally on its own, but I just can't wait for that. Oh my goodness. Okay, see, look at this side and look at this side. A little more natural, a little more fresh out the box. Just doing the ends. I'm gonna do the roots at the top because I feel like they're also looking a little too perfect. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. Oh, I still need to do the bangs. I was like, why do the bangs look so weird? Oh, and you know what? When I fluffed her out, she's a lot more soft. I think I'm gonna do it at the roots. No, I lied. All the way through. You guys, I think I need this wig in like every other color. There was a pink one that I was eyeing, like a pale pink, like a pastel kind of pink. I didn't see anyone buy it on the reviews, but I feel like it would be so cute. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what the back looks like. I'm gonna try and do a little 360. I know I said that ponytail was my go-to. No, this is my go-to. Oh my god, I want to go show my mom so bad. I always make her wait until I publish the video to show her anything that I've been working on. I think she's gonna love it. Oh my god. And I just feel like it goes with like 70s vibe with like the shirt and then the hoops. Oh my god. And the bangs are like perfect length. They're not in my eyes. They're not baby bangs. Yeah, this is it. Look at that texture. And I'm telling you guys, it is so soft. I'm definitely for sure gonna link this in the description bar so you guys can go get you one of these, because my hair is not laid underneath this by any means. I just threw this on and this is great, especially for winter because it's kind of a lot of hair. This is definitely like a cute winter look. And then I just love the shape that it already has. It's really making me want to cut my hair, but I do not have this much hair. Oh my god, I need to go, because if I stay here, I will continue to just do this for hours. So if you by any chance happen to pick up this wig, I would say definitely take a brush, like a paddle brush or one of these, and comb, like gently brush out the ends of it, except for the bangs. The bangs you're gonna wanna do from the root to the ends. And also any hair that's really on display, like in here, you're gonna want to do the root to the end, and then anything that's framing your face as well, root to the end. Otherwise it's just gonna look a little too machine made. I think I'm gonna skip the back of the wig just because that part gets tangly by itself anyway, especially on a synthetic wig, and no one's really gonna see it. So I'm just gonna leave that. I did fluff out the ends, so nobody can tell me that this is not my hair, because this wig is who I am now. Thank you guys for hanging out. Bye.